Marge proudly unveils Marge's Muffins, a cozy new bakery in downtown Springfield, drawing curious crowds. Homer attempts to sneak a free muffin, causing Marge to gently scold him, blushing. Lisa examines recipes, experimenting with innovative flavors inspired by her environmental interests. Bart immediately spots the Muffin Men, a quirky rival pastry duo opening nearby. Moe sarcastically bets Homer that the Muffin Men will outshine Marge's bakery. Marge dreams of community acclaim, but a suspiciously similar muffin shop threatens her success. Principal Skinner introduces the new bakery to the school, encouraging students to buy local. Marge aims to create signature muffins but struggles with consistency amidst her perfectionism. Ned Flanders visits, complimenting Marge's baking but nervously suggesting a healthy muffin option. Patty and Selma stop by, skeptically eyeing the shop, joking about muffin conspiracy. Homer accidentally leaves a free muffin day sign outside, doubling the customer chaos. Springfield's community bulletin board is plastered with flyers for both bakeries, fueling rivalry. Bart pranks the Muffin Men, swapping their flour with glitter. Chaos erupts in their shop. Marge's muffins win a small local contest, but the Muffin Men claim cheating. A humorous montage shows Homer trying to eat his weight in muffins, waddling comically. Lisa protests, worried the chaos distracts from Springfield's true environmental issues. Moe's Tavern tries to capitalize, offering beer-infused muffins, causing uproarious disgust. A bakery inspector threatens closure if things don't improve. Marge feels overwhelmed. Bart, seeing Marge upset, secretly helps her refine a special muffin recipe. Homer, in full support, attempts to advertise with a giant muffin costume, nearly impaling himself. The two bakeries face off in a community bake-off, judged by Mayor Quimby with flair. Chaos peaks when the Muffin Men dump batter on Marge's display, sparking a food fight. The town's children cheer, caught between muffin loyalties, laughing uncontrollably. Marge, battered but determined, whips up an ultra-fluffy, divine muffin right before judging. Springfield's citizens rally, realizing Marge's heart is why everyone loves her. The Muffin Men admit defeat, joking about opening Dojo's Donuts instead. Marge's baking is celebrated at the town hall, with Homer taking credit for the chaos. Lisa presents a new environmentally friendly muffin, earning big applause. Springfield's community unites around Marge's bakery, giving her confidence boost. As the episode closes, the family enjoys muffins together, laughing, amidst town festivities.